Hello and welcome to Piano Tips by Jean. I'm an experienced adjudicator and have been an educator for over 40 years. I love to share my ideas and I hope you'll try some of my tips in your studio. In this next video, I'm going to teach a 5-year-old how to use chords 1 and 5 effectively. Young Abigail already knows these chords, but she has trouble transitioning from one chord to the other smoothly and quickly. A lot of repetition is required in order to be fluent. I'm going to demonstrate how to get a very young child to practice these a lot and still have fun. Under the video there's going to be a link that you can click for more detailed explanations, including info about chords 1 and 5. I'm also going to include information on the most common chords to choose from when playing by ear. 5, 1, 5, over and over. And to make it so it's not boring, you could make up words. Do you have a really good friend at school? What's your friend's name? Christina. You could say, my friend's name is Christina. And you could say, today we played outside. You can make a story up and you can just play it like that. Let's try. My friend's name is Christina. My friend's name, you sing it too, is, chord 5, is Christina. There you are. See? Chord 1. Good. Now what? Which is better? That one's not bad, or this? Still chord 1. Now it starts all over again. Very good. Yes. Good for you. Super good. Now it starts all over, right? There you are. Look at that. If you enjoyed this video, please click to subscribe to enjoy more piano tips. There is a link below that takes you to my website for more detailed explanations. I will be adding a new video every 3 weeks. I truly wish to thank you viewers who have already subscribed, as it means so much to me. And I would love to hear from you with questions or suggestions. Under the videos you can scroll down now to leave a comment or through my website on the contact form. For more information, visit pianotipsbyjean.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you return again soon and have a wonderful week.